Is it possible that the reason that your law firm is not ranking in the Google Maps is because there are too many attorneys at your same address? Now, this happens quite often. It's actually an update that was released about 3 years ago called the Google Possum update. And I'm going to show you exactly what that means. Now, let's look at my drawing here. Let's say this is the road, and this is basically 4 corners of a road here. And this is the road. There's my horrible drawing. All right. Now, let's say that you are in an office building that's right here on the corner. And there's another building here, and there's another law firm right here. Now, in this law firm right here, there's one attorney. And basically in this building, at this address, there's only one attorney. And then same thing here, there's only one attorney. But this is your office. This is you right here. And you're actually in a high-rise building. And there's several attorneys that are all in that building that are all basically the same type of practice area. So let's say you're a personal injury attorney, right? And there's one personal injury attorney here, one personal injury attorney here, and then there's 7 personal injury attorneys right there. And this, we typically see this very often in like Regis offices. This is why Regis offices and shared office spaces a lot of times don't typically work. Well, what ends up happening in this scenario is that Google will only show one lawyer per address, and it'll filter the rest out. So if someone searches, just for simplicity, let's say the searcher is right here, right smack dab in the middle, then what's going to happen is they search personal injury attorney. This attorney is going to show up. This attorney is going to show up, and the most authoritative attorney out of this entire batch, so not this one, 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 this one is actually going to show up because he's the absolute most authoritative based on his Google My Business profile, which becoming authoritative on your Google My Business profile isn't that difficult. But basically, what's going to happen is this one's going to show, this one's going to show, and this one's going to show, which means that these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 attorneys are not going to show up because they're being filtered out because of the Google Possum update. So the solution to this is 2 things. One, you can move your law firm, which usually is not really a good solution for most attorneys. The second is you've got to become way more authoritative than all these other attorneys here until you become the authority, the highest authority, and then you start showing in this search when someone searches from there, and then basically you become the attorney that actually shows up in your building. Now, if you're having this issue with your law firm, like I said, it's actually not that difficult to become the most authoritative law firm in your building, but it does take some advanced knowledge. So if you're having an issue like this, or even if you just want to, even if you're just this guy right here and you want to make sure that you're ranking higher in the Google Maps, then I'd like to invite you to book a free 45-minute strategy session with my team. And what we'll be able to do is we'll be able to take a look at your law firm's website. We'll do an evaluation. We'll kind of give you some feedback on what we see, and then we'll let you know what we can do to help get you ranked in the Google Maps so that you can grow your firm, you can get more leads, more cases, and ultimately grow your law firm. The call is completely free, and like I said, what we'll do is we'll kind of go over all the issues. We'll let you know kind of what it looks like for us to work together, and then at that point you can make a decision, and there's no obligation to buy anything, and you'll get a lot of value from the call. So if you're having a Possum issue, or if you're not ranking in the maps, the Google Possum update could very well be the reason why you're not ranking in the maps. So click the link below, book a call with my team, and we'll get you all sorted out. If you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next video.